किसान यदि अगर आज के दिन आंदोलित है, उस आंदोलन का आकलन सीमित रूप से करना बहुत बड़ी गलतफहमी और भूल होगी। जो किसान सड़क पर नहीं है, वो भी आज के दिन चिंतित है, आज के दिन परेशान है। कैन वी क्रिएट अ बाउंड्री बिटवीन द फार्मर एंड द गवर्नमेंट? जिनको लगाना है गले, उनको दुत्कार नहीं किया जा सकता है। मेरे कठोर शब्द हैं, पर कई बार बीमारी के इलाज के लिए कड़वी दवाई पीनी पड़ती है।
Well, however, the Vice President's remarks have drawn sharp criticism and reactions coming in from the opposition parties, in particular the Congress party, where they have been criticizing him, stating that he should have shown the concern earlier. There's another Congress leader who's accused the government of being anti-farmer.
Good that Jagdeep Dhankar ji has just woken up. 700 farmers has died, martyred. And when the farm laws were brought in for in winter, in rain, in summer, the farmers were protesting outside Delhi. In that time also, Honorable Vice President was also Vice President. He should have cared about those farmers and gone there to meet them. 700 farmers has become martyred. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ji has submitted in the parliament the list of those martyrs. Whether Dhankar's Vice President Saab or the chairman will consider accepting that 700 martyrs who are farmers only and declare them at martyrs for the farm laws demonstration.
धनखड़ जी ऐसा बोल दिए हैं, ये तो बड़ी आश्चर्य की बात है। धनखड़ जी ने एक तरह से मोदी जी को चुनौती दी है कि सरकार किसान विरोधी है, किसानों के लिए कार्य नहीं कर रहे। मुझे खुद आश्चर्य हो रहा है कि धनखड़ जी में कहां से विवेक जग गया, या कहा जा सकता है कहां से वो असली वास्तविकता भूल गए। मुझे लगता है कि उनका क्लास लिया जाएगा, मुझे लग रहा है।
ये सरकार किसान विरोधी सरकार है। आज तो देश के उपराष्ट्रपति जो किसान समाज से आते हैं, उन्होंने कार्यक्रम में देश के कृषि मंत्री के सामने ही कह दिया कि आप क्यों नहीं बात करते हो। देश जो है बहुत बड़ा जो है प्राइस पे करेगा अगर किसानों को इग्नोर किया जाएगा। यही बात तो कांग्रेस पार्टी या राहुल गांधी कहते हैं कि किसानों की बात सुनो, सब कुछ अडानी को मत सौंपो। हमें उम्मीद है कि जो किसान आंदोलन कर रहे हैं, सरकार उनसे बात करेगी और रास्ता निकालेगी।
Well, Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live right now, he had covered when it comes to the farmer protests that were reported at the Delhi-Noida borders as well. Pradeep, this is a strong statement by the Vice President that the comments came in when the farmers from UP were protesting on the Delhi-Noida border after the Delhi Chalo march was stopped.
Yes, a very strong statement coming from Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, where he took on Agriculture Minister. He said, why a communication gap between the farmers and the government? Because for the last several months, the farmers have been protesting. That means their problems are yet to be mitigated and addressed. They are saying that we should embrace farmers with open arms rather than pushing them aside, and we should not test their patience. Very strong statement. He said that my words might be stronger, but sometimes this medicine is really very important to look for the cure for the problem. Because we have seen since 2021, the farmers have been protesting earlier. The 3 laws were repealed by Prime Minister, and finally after that we saw farmers going back to their home. But once again they're out on street. 2 days back they came over to UP. They were planning to enter inside Delhi, and now on March 6th also they're planning a protest. But what has happened after the strong mark and the statement coming from Vice President, it has provided enough ammunition to the guns of opposition party leaders so that they can hit out at BJP. They are saying that he has openly challenged Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government, and for that Vice President will be taken to task because Narendra Modi will not be sparing him for speaking out reality and truth. They are saying that this is a Kisan Virodhi Sarkar. They haven't done enough for the farmers, and that's one of the reasons the farmers are protesting. But so far as this Dhankar statement is concerned, because he, being a vice president and the constitutional head, he is trying to tell the government that you have to act and react in this regard, because he even talked about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, how he was able to unify India excellently. The same way you have to embrace them, and you don't think that they are somebody else, but you have to take them on your side and try to redress their problem so that the Kisan is no more stressed and they are not under distress, because that is a matter of concern.
All right, Pradeep Datta, thank you very much for joining in. As far as Jagdeep Dhankar, the Vice President, is concerned, he's called it as a serious issue, warning against testing the patience of the farmers, stating that no force can suppress their voice without consequences for the nation. Let's, in the meantime, also get